How to create another Discord account. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create another Discord account on your Discord app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So open your Discord app. Then here tap on these three lines in the top left corner. Now tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Then here scroll down and here under in account tap on logout and tap on logout again. Now to create another account tap on register. If you want to enter a phone number you can enter phone number, or if you want to enter an email tap on here email. Enter here email and tap on next. Pick a username and enter here, and then choose a password and enter here, and then tap on next. Enter here your date of birth and tap on create an account. If you get this captcha, solve it. And here if you want to add a profile picture you can tap here to add from your phone, or you can select any one of these. Or you can also tap on skip if you don't want to add a profile picture. After adding profile picture, tap on next in the bottom here. And if you want to allow search by email number, check this and tap on next. Or if you don't want, uncheck this box and tap on next. And if you want, you can create your own server here, or you can join a friend on Discord if you already have an invite. So for now I just tap on this cross. And again, if you get a captcha or you're not a robot, solve it. And it will probably ask you to verify. If it asks you, tap on start verification. It will send a code on your email to verify you. So go to your email, open the email from Discord and tap on verify email. Wait for the email verification. If you get this, I'm a human, check it and tap on continue to Discord. And this is how you can create another Discord account on your Discord app. Thanks for watching.